Let's learn collective nouns today. Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. If you want to download a free worksheet regarding all of these collective nouns, you can click on the link in the description below. Group of workers called crew, crew. Group of listeners called audience, audience. Group of singers called choir, choir. Group of actors called cast, cast. Group of musicians called band, band. Group of athletes called team, team. Group of soldiers called troop, troop. Group of ships called fleet, fleet. Group of birds called flock, flock. Group of wolves called pack, pack. Group of lions called pride, pride. Group of elephants called herd, herd. Group of fish called school, school. Group of flowers called bouquet, bouquet. Group of bees called swarm, swarm. Group of trees called grove, grove. Group of island called archipelago, archipelago. Group of mountains called range, range. Group of teachers called faculty, faculty. Group of experts called panel, panel. Now you tell me, a group of cattle called? Tell me in the comment section. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.